In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add customized text on CapCut PC in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to add titles, captions, labels, or stylish text overlays, this tutorial will walk you through the full process, step by step, so you can make your videos look more polished and professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project on PC and make sure your video is already on the timeline. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top left panel and click on Text. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text tools, and it's the starting point for adding anything from simple words to fully customized on-screen text. Under the Add Text section, you'll see a default text option. To add it, either click the plus icon next to it, or simply drag it directly onto the timeline above your video layer. That creates a new text layer that you can customize however you want. Now that the text layer is on your timeline, the next step is to edit the actual content. Click on the text bar in the timeline so it becomes selected. Once it's selected, look at the preview window or over to the top right panel, where you'll see the text settings and the basic tab. Inside the text box, you'll usually see the words default text already there. Delete that and type in your own customized text. This could be a title, a call-out, a subtitle, a name tag, or anything else you want to appear on screen. At this point, your text is now your own, but the real magic happens when you start styling it. To customize the look, stay in the right panel and explore the font and style options. First, click the font drop-down to choose the typeface you want. CapCut has plenty of built-in fonts, but if you've downloaded a custom font to your computer, scroll down to the System Font section, and you should find it there if it's already installed. This is super useful if you want your videos to have a unique brand style or match a specific aesthetic. Next, adjust the size and position of your text. You can use the font size slider in the right panel to make the text bigger or smaller, or you can manually drag the text boundaries in the preview window to resize it visually. If you want to move the text, just click and drag it to the exact spot you want on the screen. This is helpful when you want the text to sit neatly at the top, center, or bottom without blocking important parts of the video. After that, you can make the text look even better using style controls like color, stroke, glow, and shadow. CapCut gives you a few preset styles if you want a quick design, but you can also manually customize everything. Change the color to match your brand, add a stroke or outline to help the text stand out, turn on glow for a modern effect, or add shadow to make it easier to read on bright backgrounds. These small adjustments can make a huge difference in how professional your video looks. Now, let's talk about timing, because this part is really important. If you want your customized text to appear at the right moment, you need to adjust the duration on the timeline. Hover your mouse over the left or right edge of the text layer, then click and drag to change when the text starts and how long it stays visible. If you want the text to appear for just a few seconds, shorten the layer. If you want it on screen for longer, stretch it out. This gives you full control over the timing so the text matches what's happening in your video. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add customized text on CapCut PC, change the wording, style it with fonts and effects, and adjust the timing so it appears exactly when you want. Once you get comfortable with this process, you can use it to create cleaner edits, better branding, and more engaging videos overall. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who's learning CapCut too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.